Okay, so today is a challenge, I guess. My family challenged me to make a nice pasta salad for them because it's something that I don't usually eat, right? So I went in my little pantry and I seen what I had in store. And I had luckily for me, I had some lasagna noodles. I have some tomatoes, some onions, some mayo with olive oil, very health-wise, situation kind of thing. And some, what is it? I'll show you. Some Greek and feta oregano dressing. And what else? Some President's Choice Parmesan cheese. It's the best, guys. It's the best. Don't even think it doesn't have the same flavor as regular Parmesan cheese, because it really does. And what else? I'll show you. Over here we have sun-dried and tomato, oregano, salad dressing. So, I had some lasagna noodles, some sun-dried tomato and oregano salad dressing, some Parmesan cheese, President's Choice Parmesan cheese, the best you can ever get, and some Greek salad dressing here with oregano and feta cheese, real feta cheese, guys. Okay, and then we have some Miracle Whip with olive oil. So they challenged me to make a good pasta salad, and I was like, okay, cool, I can make a pasta salad with lasagna noodles. Why not? Who the fuck can't make a pasta salad with lasagna? Oh shit, that's my cat's food there. But anyways, who can't make a pasta salad with lasagna noodles, right? It's the same shit. It's still pasta, it's still noodles. Why can't you do it, right? So here's the final result. Please don't laugh. Oh shit, what the fuck was that? Ew, it's like running down the bowl. But as you can see, there's lasagna noodles. There's some tomato, there's some chopped up onion, there's some simulated bacon bits. I don't like pork, sorry guys. Ugh, too much fucking fat and shit. Simulated bacon bits, some Parmesan cheese, and all the goodness. So if you like what you see, log on to, hey, I don't have no fucking blog, so don't log on to anything. So anyways, some good pasta salad with a challenge for my family. It's pretty good.